Martial artist plans to include an ellipse in a design and wants the length of the horizontal axis to equal 10 and the length of the vertical axis to equal 6. Which equation could represent this ellipse? So let's start with drawing the ellipse. Here we have the ellipse. Let's draw the horizontal line and the vertical line. So, as shown in the question, 6 will be the vertical axis and 10 will be the horizontal axis. So 10 for the horizontal and 6 for the vertical. So as we can see, 10 is the longest axis, so it will be the major. And 6 is the shortest, so it will be the minor. And now let's write the equation of an ellipse, which is x minus h squared over a squared plus k minus y minus k squared over b squared equals to 1. So let's start plotting our information. What do we mean by h is the x coordinate of the center, which is the middle point, and k is the y coordinate of the center. So we don't have any plots, so we keep it as x squared and y squared. So now let's get our information. A is half of the major axis, so half of 10 equals to 5, so A equals to 5. And B is half of the minor axis, so half of 6, so B equals to 3. Now we need to write 5 squared, which is 25. Then B, we need 3 squared, which is 9. So now, as we can see in the options above, we don't have a fraction. So to get rid of the fraction, we need to cross multiply. So x multiplied by 9 and y multiplied by 25. So let's start. X multiplied by 9 equals 9x squared. Then y squared multiplied by 25 equals 25 y squared. Then what about the 1? Whatever we multiplied in the fractions before, we need to multiply by 1. So 1 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 9, which equals 225. So that will be our final answer, which will match option 1.